We all know how important music is on the job site.
So in this video, we're going to have a look at our new Bosch Professional sound systems. So Danny, in your opinion, what's probably the most important thing on the job site?
Well, other than your favourite hot beverage, it's going to have to be a radio.
That's right. And if sound quality is important as well as robustness, then we've got two excellent products to show in this video.
So for our first product here, we have the GPB 18V-6. Fantastic little compact Bluetooth speaker we have here. So at the front here, we have two 24-watt speakers. At the bottom there, we have a 40-watt subwoofer. And in the front here, we have two vents to obviously allow for that sound to escape, and really is a good quality sound out of this particular machine.
Right, if we spin the machine round, you'll see on the back we've got a couple little ports here. These are your USB, and these are USB-Cs. You can actually power the product via USB-C as long as it's got power delivery.
Yep, that's the lower hole there.
That's right, yeah, and then on the top you see that also allows you to either plug in a USB cable to charge a mobile device, or you can actually run the MP3 files directly off a USB-C stick. Exactly. Yeah, as this is a cordless power box or Bluetooth speaker, you can see that it's running on the 18-volt battery in this compartment here. However, we've made it a little bit easier, haven't we?
I have, yes. There's a mechanism at the bottom here. Just pull that out and that ejects the battery for you. And this is the party piece. This is my favourite piece. There you go. 12-volt battery. Clicks in there and then away you go. Just pop the cover back and you're back up to that IP54 rating.
That's right, yes. IP54, which means it's ideal for the job site, protected against water and dust protected. And then you can also see on the top here, we've got a little area here you can put your phone and a little pass through, so you can also charge your phone via that USB-C cable while it's running. Perfect.
So Chris, if I wanted some more features and benefits out of my Bluetooth speaker, what have you got for me?
Well, I've got its bigger brother here. I've got the GPB 18VH-6 SRC. Now essentially, obviously it looks very similar, but there's a few key features that makes it different. First off, this is DAB+ and radio, has a number of presets that you can set as well as you can see here, a nice high resolution screen. Yeah,
in fact, if you turn the machine around there, you can see on the back here we've still got the dual voltage system, so 18 volt and 12 volt, but you'll see we've also got a supply cord on the bottom here. Now this not only means that you can run this machine on mains voltage, but we also have built in there charging circuits. So this will charge a 12 volt battery should there be a 12 volt battery fitted, or an 18 volt battery should there be an 18 volt.
That's right. But don't forget, under this little flap, you've also got a USB-C charging slot, or charging cables, which allows you again to use the handle on the top as a mobile device holder, with a pass-through, so you can charge a mobile device. Yep. And lastly, you've got the aux in as well, so you can run a 3.5mm jack and run music through that as well. Okay, so if you flip it around to the front again one more time, you'll see, probably we should have mentioned it already, you can see a really nice, robust cage system for it, which means this is definitely going to be able to survive the rigors of the job site. Not only that, you probably notice on the bottom here, it's L-BOXX compatible, which means you can attach this to any of your L-BOXX system, whether your dust extractor or your caddy system, and off you go, not a problem at all. Lastly, you should also mention that this cage itself is also compatible with the previous model as well.
Yes, this is available as a spare part and can be bought separately and put onto this machine as well. So if you go for this particular model here, you can upgrade it or retrofit that to it as well. So again, best of both worlds.
That's right. So between these two products, we've got whichever speaker system you would like, whether you want a normal Bluetooth speaker or whether or not you want a Bluetooth speaker as well as a DAB+ radio system, as well as its nice cage system and L-BOXX compatible. And finally, we mustn't forget to mention the fact that these speakers, both of these speakers, also features what we call our multi-speaker sound system, which essentially means you can link numerous different GPBs together to have a multi-speaker system.
In fact, you're only limited by the Bluetooth range of the host speaker, so as many speakers as you like in that area.
So how easy is it to set up, Dan?
Well, really easy on this. In fact, if I just reach over here and turn this one on, there you go. So, machine's up and running. I just press the multi-function button and there you go, it's all paired.
That's right, so on this particular model, on the standard GPB 18V-6, the little LED screens goes to a light blue, which means it's connected. Exactly. But it's important to mention, it doesn't matter how you mix up these different GPBs, they'll all work interchangeably. Whoa, whoa, Dan, I forgot probably the most important feature.
You did, yeah.
It's got a bottle opener. So, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and put your comments in the chat.
Outtakes.
We all know how fuck off. Say that again.
This is the GPB 18V.
It's not a GPH.
Oh, God, it's not, is it? Right, so I've got this one here. This is the GPB 18V-H. Oh, no, it's not. I've got the GPB 18H-6 SRC. Essentially, what you're looking at is a D.
Mr. V.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, you son of a.
So, Chris, if I want some, sorry, it's starting to be quick then.